Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Presidium Valley View. This is a really pretty apartment. I'm just giving you a super quick walkthrough of this one bedroom. It's gorgeous. This is the kitchen with this huge island that's here. You've got enough space for 4 or 5 of these chairs easily. And really pretty kitchen. And by the way, the lighting here is adorable and cute, and it's super tall. This is like 14 feet ceilings are in here. This is very nice. And then look at the look here. You've got the cabinets that are here. The cabinets are gorgeous. You've got a really nice fridge there. And again, that island is just great. You've got a lot of functionality on both sides of the island. The living room looks great, looks beautiful. Very tall ceilings, once again, really add to it. Lots of good functional space. You do have a nice balcony out there too, so balcony or patio. And then we walk into the bedroom. The bedroom looks great. It's really big. That's a super huge king bed that's in there. And there's also plenty of space for the nightstands on each side. And then you've got a lot of space here for the dressers, whatever you need. This is a really big room. And again, just super tall in here. Love that. This is the bathroom as well. The bathroom's really pretty as well. Quartz countertops, really nice mirror, and a walk-in shower. Love that it's a walk-in shower. Not just a walk-in, but it's got a nice little bench there to sit in. It's a really pretty closet. Lots of space, lots of storage space in here. This is a very gorgeous one bedroom. And I love it. This is the Presidium Valley View. They've done a great job. I really recommend it. Hey, you know what I'd also recommend? Send me a text and just say hi. And use our free service. Use my free service. What I want to do is get you a little more information about the Best Dallas Apartments. And also, if you'd like, you can take a virtual tour. That's a live tour just over your phone of the Presidium and maybe 1 or 2 other places if you like. We'll set that all up. It's all free. It's part of our free service to help you find your perfect place in Dallas. Send me a text, use the number below, and we'll say hi and kind of set that up. I look forward to hearing from you.